Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to another futures trading video. So today we are trading the micros on a brand new account. This account was started today with $1,200. We are now at $814.07 profit on the day, bringing us to $2,001. So let's just go ahead and go into my trades and fills. So we started off the day trading the Nasdaq micros over here. Here are my fills. You can see I took a loser, a winner, and then a nice winner down here. Trading one contract, three contracts total here. And then I sat on my hands for a little bit. Decent exit there. Then we went into the micro ES. Had a winner here on the short side. And then I played long the rest of the day, seeing as we were down here by the value area low. So we played long up to the point of control, went long again, failed to bounce off VWAP, so we exited, and then went long again and rode it nice up. This was a 5 contract position, so this was nice. But yeah, just rode it into the value area high. We ended up pushing stops up a little bit, and as you can see, we are dumping back into the close of the day. So a nice 20-point candle here. So let's go ahead and look at the actual stats here on the day. So today we made 14 trades with a total of contracts of 28, meaning that the average trade was 2 micro contracts, or a fifth of a normal contract. Winning trade percentage was 93%, 92.86. Pretty happy with that. It's a good way to start. Had a losing trade of $28. Average winning trade was $65, so a little over a 2-to-1 ratio right there. Here you can see just P&L history. This is a really interesting thing that I've never really noticed before, but the time of day of when you're closing out trades, it'll be interesting to see how this looks over like a month time frame or something. And then the gross breakdown of where everything's going, right? So trading, clearing, and exchange was 17%. So yeah, overall max run up was $831, ended up at $829, so cut it pretty close there. Average winning trade time 50 minutes, so this was much more of a hold type of day, hold the swings type of day, trading trend. We're trying to trade the trend, but that's partially because these are micros, right? So it's a tenth of profit as a normal contract, and with that means that you're going to have to hold it longer in order to see more of that money come through. Overall, very happy with the day. $800, especially when trading a fifth of a normal contract, just shows what type of volatility we have right now, and looking forward to continuing to grow this baby account and see what happens and see where we can take it. If you're interested in getting an account, what I did was I did my Top Step Forex account, which is a couple of previous videos below this. Made $1,600, withdrew that, and then kept some money for taxes, and then deposited the rest into Tradeify. And in doing so, was left with $1,200, and now I have $2,000. So that's kind of my game plan. If you're interested in Top Step in order to get free money like I did, it's those links down below. If you're interested in seeing some of the real-time things that we're talking about in the Discord, that's also linked down below, and I will see you in the next video. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Peace.